Hello there, this is the Music Makers at the Keyboard, Book 2, and we're on Lesson 20. And today we're going to learn Willum with the melody in the right hand. Remember last week we did it in the left hand? Remember we crossed over here? And then we had here the chords. I introduced them last week. The 4-chord new. So here's your 1 chord. La, do, mi. 1 chord. Shifting to the 4 chord, your thumb stays put. It's your anchor. And 3rd and 5th finger moving up. Just slide them over to the next white key. So that will be La, and then 3rd finger Re, and 5th finger is ready to play right there. Okay? La, Re, Fa. 4 chord. La, Do, Mi. 1 chord. And the 5/7 chord is... We're going to shift our thumb half a step lower, and that happens to be a black key. C, and then we're going to have my 5th and 4th finger stay where they were. Re, mi, 5/7 chord. You can also just play 2 notes. Mi, re, mi. That's good enough. If you want to play the C, you need to shimmy in here a little bit. Like a little choo-choo train going back into the station. Right that. And then back to 1 chord. 1, 4, 1, 5/7, 1. Okay, that was just a quick review from last week. Now this week we're going to play it. We're going to swap the roles. So right hand is going to play Willum. And here we go with our new right hand warm up, because we need to also go up to Fa right here, right? So we're going to go La, Ti, Do, and then we're going to freeze, because now we're going to tug our thumb under. So my wrist is rolling over here, just moving over here. Re, Mi, Fa, Mi. Let's try that one more time, going up. Ready? Here we go. E minor. La, ti, do, tuck. So rotate your wrist. Re, mi, fa, mi. And now going back, we start on mi again. 2nd finger. Mi, fa, mi, re. Freeze, because now we're going to rotate and cross over with our 3rd finger. Do, and then we're going to put our hand back into the regular position, and we have now the 2nd finger on T and La. Okay, so we rotate, put our thumb down here. Now we're going to move our hand up to the next place, just line them up all the way up here. And then we'll go up, mi, fa, mi, re, cross over, do, contribute your fingers right here, ti, la. Okay, so you practice this warm-up several times, because you need to be able to play this warm-up in order to play the Willum. Okay, so let's go to the left hand. We're going to do the same thing in the left hand that we did last week in the right hand. So we have La, Do, Mi, 1 chord. Now watch, this is so cool. This time we are not quite shifting in the way we shifted our right hand. Why? Well, because see how they're kind of a contrary mirrored version, these hands? So what I'm trying to say is La, Re, Fa now. The Re is already sitting here nice and comfy. So we have La, our anchor, and then Re, and all what we need to do is shift the thumb over here. Okay, so that's different. We have to finger number 5, 2, 1. In contrary to when we play the 4 chord in the right hand, we have the thumb here and then the 3rd finger and the 5th finger, right? So this is a big difference, but that's just how our hands are aligned naturally. We have a nice space here between 2nd and 1st finger, so we don't shift here. Nope, we're gonna leave everything it is. La, re, fa, 4 chord, okay? La, do, mi, 1 chord, and then mi, re, si. Again, you can shimmy in here if you want to reach that C here. That's a it's a D sharp, but we call it C in minor, S-I. Si, re, mi, 5/7 chord, or mi, re, mi is enough, good enough too, and 1 chord. So this is a motion you want to practice. Isn't that beautiful? Willum. You can now sing the melody and add the chords as your ear will tell you. Willum, he had start 7 children, 7 children, 7 children. Willum, he had 7 children, and now we're going to go straight to 5/7. This is what they did. Number 1 jumped up and down, up and down, up and down. Number 1 jumped up and down, and this is what she did. Okay, now we're going to play Willum. He had 7 cents in our warm-up, so in our right hand. So it goes la, ti, do, re, mi, mi, mi. So here we go. We're going to go la, ti, do. Remember? Re, mi, mi, mi. Okay, do that with me. Also on the piano bench or somewhere. La, ti, do, re, mi, mi, mi. And it's going like this. La, ti, do. Cross under. Re, mi, mi, mi. And then comes the next part. Fa, 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 mi, mi, mi. So fa is our 3rd finger. Fa, 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 mi, mi, mi. Okay, let's put those 2 things together. And always sing along with me. La, ti, do. Cross under. Re, mi, mi, mi. Fa, 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 mi, mi, mi. So that's part 1, or A. You go practice that, and once you know that part well, then you come back to this tutorial and we'll do the end of the song. Okay? All right, end of the song is Willum, he had 7 children, and this is what they did. So that would go into la, ti, do, re, mi, 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 fa, mi, re, cross, do, ti, la. Okay, so listen and play it and sing the melody in solfege. La, ti, do, re, mi, 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 fa, mi, re, do, ti, la. Or we'll do it with the words. Willum, he had 7 children, and this is what they did. And you practice that, okay? And then you come back and I'll play you the song with the chords in the left hand. All right, so this is how it would go. Chords in the left hand, melody in the right. Willum, he, cross, had 7 sons. Now we go to la, re, fa. So all what I do is I'm going to shift my thumb over here. See my left hand? My 2nd finger and 5th finger stay put. 7 sons. Now I'm going to go shift back with my thumb here, and I'm going to play my 3rd finger instead of the 2nd finger and the 5th. 7 sons. Okay, now you're going to lift up your right hand because we're going to go back into our regular position. Willum, he had 7 sons, and now we're going to shift in the left hand to mi, re, mi only. Or if you want to shimmy in here, find this the 5th finger on that C. This is crossing over here what they did. Wow, there's a lot going on here, children, and your brain is probably smoking right now. So just wanted to let you know again, there's so much going on at the same time. I'm so proud of the kids. Just even if they would just sing the melody, Willum, he had 7 sons, and add the chords. 7 sons, Willum, he had 7 sons, and this is what they did. There's a lot going on right there. So repetition is your best friend. 7 sons, 7 sons, 7 sons, and Willum, he had 7 sons, and this is what they did. All for Willum melody in the right hand. Have fun with that, and I'm looking forward to hearing it.